In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix CIBC Online Banking not working. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent CIBC's website or mobile app from connecting properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router and try again. If you're using a web version, refresh the page and make sure you are visiting the official CIBC website. Next, clear browser cache and cookies. Click on three dots, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings. Now click on the option View All Permission. Here search for CIBC. Once website appears, click on the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Now you can check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If you're using a VPN proxy service or privacy extension, temporarily disable it, as these can block connection that appear unusual or come through certain VPN servers. Likewise, make sure the browser you are using is updated. In case we are using the app, make sure the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated app versions can cause logging and connectivity issues. Another possibility is that CIBC may be performing maintenance or experiencing temporary service. To check that, type in CIBC server status, navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. That's it. These are most effective ways to fix CIBC online banking not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.